Hi, Karan. Thank you so much
Hi,
for
Vicky.
joining me on Dialogue.
Arey, always a pleasure. Bolo.
Yeah, Karan. So, congratulations for getting this coveted role of Mr. Bajaj in Kasauti Part 2.
Thank you, thank you.
And it was really big news. Tell me, how did it all fall in place?
I got a call from Ekta once,
Hmm.
suddenly out of the blue, that I need to discuss something with you. So
Hmm.
somebody from my team will call you.
Hmm.
And then they called and then they said, "This is what we're looking at.
Yeah.
So would you be interested?" I said, "Of course, yeah. I mean, why not? It's an iconic character, yeah. And it's something that is, I think it's more of a challenge to portray it because of the stature where Ronit had put up the character in the first original part. And secondly, again, it's a big show and it's Balaji. I can never say no to it.
So, how did you go about it? I mean, are you ready? Is this the look? Is this the look which we are
नहीं
going to?
नहीं नहीं यार नहीं 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 ये तो एक पसीना पड़ा हुआ है अभी जिम से आया हूँ मैं I
Uh,
have they're still working out the creative right now as we
uh,
speak so I don't start before another good 4 5 6 days I think I'm here so they're going to be at least working out the look and वो सब कुछ करेंगे
okay. Is it going to be far different from what Karan Singh Grover played? Has any brief been
I
given?
don't know because no, not yet. That's what I'm saying. They're just discussing the creative. So we've only given the go ahead. Yes, everything is yet to fall in place.
Okay. Tell me, have you seen the Karan Singh's part, and have you also seen Ronit Roy's part, which he did in the
यार
first?
the initial तो बहुत पहले देखा है 100%. I was a part of Kasauti. I was
Yeah,
made a
yeah.
cameo.
But
I was
have you
playing Karan
seen all
Singh.
that, his entire journey?
Yeah, I've seen those. But Karan Singh Grover wale, I must have seen at least 1 or 2 episodes, not more than that, because at that point I was also shooting uh, for YHM, so I couldn't get too much time to watch it. But
Hmm.
I'll definitely catch up now on those episodes.
Okay. And your opinion about how Karan did it, and your opinion about how Ronit did it?
I think there is both of them are good in the sea. I'll tell you, every actor brings something or the other to their party. So
Hmm.
everybody has their own USPs. I think both of them were fantastic in their own very ways.
जब आपने ये है मोहब्बतें लीव किया था, you know,
Hmm.
what was that emotion going through you? I mean, what was the feeling?
छोड़ा
Because
कहाँ
you have done,
show shut down no. I was there
yeah,
for the show till the last minute.
you were
No, I
decided.
had gone because I was shoot. No. बीच में एक break था because I had gone
Correct.
to shoot for खतरों के खिलाड़ी
खतरों
ना.
के खिल. That's what I'm talking about. But
That was just a character break. Story में break था. Show थोड़ी छोड़ा था.
अच्छा, बट उसमें क्लियर आपने बोल दिया था कि इसके बाद मैं वापस आ रहा हूँ.
हाँ. We had
क्योंकि
already decided. I spoke to Ekta.
क्योंकि रिपोर्ट्स आने लगे थे, नहीं बस अभी करण ने कहा अभी मैं बहुत कर दिया अभी.
नहीं यार हमारे यहाँ रिपोर्टें हमसे ज्यादा होती हैं. हम दो चीज बोलते हैं रिपोर्ट 20 आती है.
Okay.
But you know how the industry is, yeah.
Okay. So tell me your experience in Ye Hai Mohabbatein and working with Divyanka also for such a long show.
Oh, it's been a fantastic experience. I think it's become a cult show, and initially it started as a limited series. किसी ने सोचा नहीं था कि we'll probably make it into a six year long saga.
Hmm.
But it was supposed to be a limited series because based on Manju Kapoor's novel. I think initially 150 episodes is what Ekta thought. But then again, the audience loved it so much. And working with Divya was also fantastic. We had a superb chemistry, which is what worked for the show as a USP. So it was amazing. And I think what was better and what actually worked better was both of us had two absolute contrast personalities. You know, we were two, uh, like chalk and cheese. There was no connection at all. And completely different personalities coming together and sharing a screen and coming out with fantastic chemistry is what worked for the show. I think.
Like any traits of her and yours which are vastly different, which we don't know. Since you say that you all are
She
vastly
comes.
different personalities.
She comes on time. She comes on time. मेरा थोड़ा सा मेरी घड़ी हमेशा थोड़ी सी रुक जाती है. So that's one. And other than that, I think she likes to be more. Uh, I can say systematic or probably much more rehearsed, well versed, and everything should be the homework should be done before she. As in, that's how she prepares for herself,
Yeah, yeah,
which is good. I mean, and I'm more on the spontaneous kind, so I think that's also something that also sparks and works well.
yeah, yeah. So
And overall, again, she's a docile kind, quiet person. I'm the live wire, loud kind of person. So I think everything that we shared was opposites, and that's what worked.
I'm coming to that part of yours, the loud person. But
Ah.
yeah, before that, there was also one other report that you are probably thinking of going to Big Boss last year. Did you get the
मैं जिंदगी
offer?
में कभी नहीं. I do get the offer every year, but I don't think I can see myself in that show ever.
Why?
I don't think I can handle that. I don't have the patience, and nor am I built for with that kind of resistance power that I can sustain for that long and control myself that long. Because I like to call a spade, and often what happens is things get ugly. So why get into that? Yeah, इतनी मेहनत से नाम कमाया है, and then गुस्से की वजह से सारा कुछ बर्बाद करने. Why take a chance?
But do you see the show?
I of course watch it. I'm a avid watcher of the show, and I'm a
Uh-huh.
big critic of the show as well.
Hmm.
I discuss the show, discuss the characters that are coming. I mean, the kind of contestants that come in. But that's not the reason I don't see myself as part of that show, because whatever those guys are doing is fantastic, but they have the kind of patience it takes, because I don't, and I'm not cut off.
How much has fatherhood changed you?
Fatherhood has changed. Yeah, it's just in the initial. It's just 6 months, and till now, I mean, she's still in that stage of her life where she's still sleeping most of the day. Then she's
Hmm.
awake. So I think the fatherhood change will slowly start seeping in when she starts uh, crawling or walking now. When the response is from both ends, when it becomes a two-way street, is
Yeah.
when the changes also start to settle in. लेकिन अभी तो yeah, I think the best thing is that I look forward to coming back home and spending time with her. So that's one thing. पहले उल्टा होता था ना, you used to look forward to step out of the house and have a drink with friends. Now you want to step back home and spend time with the daughter. So that's the biggest change.
So, I mean, ऐसा होता है कि रात को आपको उठना पड़े, diapers change करना पड़े, or is it just Ankita doing everything?
No. Of course, we share the workload, but I prefer doing that in the daytime.
Hmm.
So because Ankita is up for most of the night, because the mother has a lot of these other duties to finish as well. So I let
Hmm.
her take rest during the days, and I manage the show in the day.
So I told you I'll come back to the loud part. I think you have changed. This is my reading because from whatever,
Hmm.
though we haven't interacted much before, but there was too much being written about that you are angry, you're short-tempered, you're hot-tempered, you react. But now I feel when I talk to you, I don't see those traits. You are more accessible to the
Like,
media.
see,
You mellowed down.
I'm still angry. I'm still as short-tempered, but it's only when I'm working and see, it's not angry that कोई कुछ भी बोलेगा तो गुस्सा आ जाएगा. It's just that I'm very particular about my work, and the worst part I hate about myself is being moody. So often what happens is the mood swings are taken for as anger or arrogance, which is not the fact.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm always accessible to the media as well, but it's just that I have my moods, I have my swings. So, and it's not necessary कि mood खराब है इसलिए बात नहीं करनी. कभी कभी होता है ना कि यार you're in a good mood, but you just don't want to probably talk to somebody right now. You feel like doing something else at the moment.
Yeah.
So
You want
वैसा
to be
है.
alone. Yeah. You want to be alone.
Alone, no, not necessarily alone. I probably am sitting with home. I want to spend time with my mother, my father, chit chatting with them. So I probably avoid a call. I'll say, "Chal, I'll talk to you later," or I won't answer a call. But
Yeah.
that's not being angry or being arrogant.
Yeah.
It's just that it's the mood is different, the time is different.
Coming to trolls, उससे गुस्सा आता है
Hmm.
कभी-कभी trolls पढ़ के.
बहुत आता है यार, बहुत. But then I realized कि यार actually it's not their fault. It is our fault. क्योंकि if we are wherever we are, those people are doing it to gain attention, to gain reaction, because that's what gives them momentum. No, that's what gives them traction. But secondly, what happens is certain people don't realize that when the language they use, ना कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपको लगता है कि आप किसी सेलिब्रिटी को आपको हक मिल जाता है कुछ भी बोलने का बिकॉज ऑफ पब्लिक हो. पर सेलिब्रिटी होने मतलब तुम्हारे बाप के नौकर थोड़ी ना है. माँ बहन की गालियां तो हमें भी आती हैं. बस दिक्कत सिर्फ इतनी है कि हम अगर तुम्हें देंगे तो तुम्हारे लिए वो इट विल बी एन ऑनर फॉर यू कि बस यू गॉट एन अटेंशन फ्रॉम समवन.
Right.
एंड भीड़ में छुप के तो कोई भी बात कर सकता है. बट द ट्रोल्स आल्सो टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट every troll cannot be answered to, but certain times I also lose it. I do give a reply on and off. कभी ना कभी एक आध दो दे देता हूँ जब होता है कुछ. But it's only when it comes to the family. मुझे कोई बोले घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता मेरे को. But again, when it comes to family, everybody is protective. Everybody is as fierce as a probably lion or a lioness is when they come to protect the family. So जब family की बात आती है तभी थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आता है. But then again I realize कि यार ये बेचारे वो बेरोजगार लोग हैं, तहजीब नहीं सीख पाए, तमीज नहीं सीख पाए.
To conclude, you
और
know,
हाथ टेक्नोलॉजी लग गई.
to conclude, my question would be, how does Ankita take these trolls? Because, you know, she has been at the receiving end, because when she put up that post about, you know, about having a second baby after losing the first one to miscarriage, and, you know, trolls were really distasteful. I mean, I wouldn't even like to go into what they were saying, but
I know. See, there are.
Yeah. So how does this all? How do both of you counter it that time? You know, when they are so personal.
See, what happens is, first of all, I always tell her that, you know what, you don't need to let these things matter too much. Of course, being a woman, being a mother, it doesn't matter too much to her. So that's when I take things in my hand. And then I give it off. I blast my steam off to whoever person that person on the other end is. And secondly, I somewhere think that it is partially our fault also that we probably keep the option of comments open to public. See, we've invited them to come and comment. At the same time, what happens is, आप अगर अपनी commenting बंद कर दोगे, you don't let people comment on you, then you're not letting the fans also, you're not letting the love also reach you.
Yeah.
So कुछ जो होते हैं च उ की मात्रा तो या की मात्रा जो याद है ना, ऐसे लोगों की वजह से you can't let thousands and lakhs of fans deprive of having a communication with you. So then what happens is, then you start blocking those few people. You block those few people, they don't exist for you. And हाँ, क्योंकि उन्हें जरूरत है आपको ट्रोल करने की, उनके शांति के लिए. आपको जरूरत नहीं उन्हें रिप्लाई करने की.
Correct, absolutely. To conclude, Karan, back to Kasauti, the last question. How much do you know Erica, Amna, and Parth? You will be working with any of them.
I've never met either of them ever in the past. So it's going to be completely first meeting with either of them whenever I shoot. Na Amna, na Erica, na Parth. I mean, obviously I know who they are. They are fantastic actors and blah blah blah. But personally, kabhi interaction हुआ नहीं. Maybe just a passing by smile, as courteous smile could have been exchanged while we were shooting in locations close by, but not like a pleasantry, actual conversation as such. So yeah, 3 अजनबियों के साथ shoot करूँगा मैं.
It's going to be challenging and it's going to be fun, and I wish you all the best for
thank you so much.
Part 2
thank you so much.
All your future assignments. Please stay in touch.
Thank you so much, Vicky. Pleasure talking to you. Definitely. Take care, buddy. See ya. Stay safe.